APL 2024, a tournament of passion, teamwork, and triumph. The much-awaited ABB Premier League (APL) kicked off on 17 February 2024 at the Mumbai Axis Lawns, electrifying the atmosphere with its competitive spirit and camaraderie with 150-plus associates. From intense player auctions to thrilling matches, the tournament was a celebration of cricket, sportsmanship, and team spirit. Meticulous planning sets the stage. The excitement began with strategic player auctions, ensuring each team had a strong foundation for victory. Organizers meticulously planned the event, booking the ground and utilizing the Crick Heroes app for player performance tracking. The professional team t-shirts added a touch of class and bolstered team spirit among players and spectators alike. A celebration of cricket and inclusion. The APL is more than just a cricket tournament. It's a passionate season for all cricket lovers of the project. This year's edition saw the enthusiastic participation of new associates eager to prove their mettle. The program began bang on time at 9:30 am. The tournament commenced with a traditional coconut breaking ceremony and the Indian national anthem, sung with fervor by all present. The complete event of APL was a full-day package filled with passion, ignition, healthy rage, funny moments and unforgettable memories. Though the APL session got over by 6:30 p.m., the crowd was still energetic.
Leadership support and expanding horizons. Sub-IU delivery head Shashank Pendase and IU HR head Shabana Hossain graced the event, encouraging the project to organize such events not only at the Mumbai level but also pan-India, fostering connections between colleagues across cities. Their presence highlighted the importance of teamwork and collaboration. Along with Shabana, we had ABB Project HR Roshni Kotwal, who encouraged the players and appraised the teams along with spectators. This year the APL participation was expanded to all teams in Mumbai for Europe Manufacturing ISU. A fierce competition with diverse teams. 6 ABB teams, led by their captains, were all geared up for the challenge. Beginning from left to right, Sainath Haldankar team ABB Super Kings, Manish Kaldeza team ABB Titans, Sudarshan Ubdi team ABB Indians, Santosh Pawar team ABB Royal Challengers, Jitendra Verma team ABB Super Giants and Nikhil Kharvi team ABB Knight Riders. The addition of 4 new teams, AC TCS Kings, Garrett Sunrisers, Hitachi Capitals and Tetra Pak Titans, further amplified the competition. The women's match, featuring teams Lighting Thunder and Shining Stars, was a remarkable display of skill and grit, culminating in a thriller super over victory for Lightning Thunder.
Leadership presence and light-hearted moments. Senior leadership and account leadership figures like Shashank Pendase, Chandrasekhar Ahire, Nitin Naik, Chetan Kargudri, Sumnas Bhattacharya, Palak Shah Kotia and Anand Deshmukh actively participated, cheering on their colleagues and creating a supportive environment. The matches were pepped with friendly banter, passionate cheers and nail-biting moments, keeping the crowd engaged throughout. Super overs, wise decisions and hilarious commentary. The semi-final between ABB Indians and AAC Kings went down to the wire, requiring a super over for a thrilling conclusion. The umpires played a crucial role in making a fair decision under pressure, while commentators Manish Talreja and Chandrasekhar Ahire kept the audience entertained with their witty remarks. ABB Indians emerged victorious, building bonds. The final match between ABB Indians and ABB Royal Challengers was a fierce battle, showcasing the best of both teams. Ultimately, ABB Indians, led by captain Sudarshan Ubdi, emerged victorious, securing the second consecutive APL title. The tournament concluded with a heartwarming ceremony where winners were awarded medals and trophies, recognizing their outstanding performances. Beyond the game, building connections and camaraderie. The APL 2024 was more than just a cricket tournament, it was an opportunity for players to connect, build camaraderie, and forge lasting friendships. These bonds will undoubtedly benefit the project and pave the way for even more exciting APL seasons in the future. Key highlights. Women's match winner. Lighting Thunder, Captain Sita. APL 2024 winner, ABB Indians, Captain Sudarshan Ubdi. Best batsman, Santosh Pawar, ABB Royal Challengers. Best bowler, Vivek Khedekar, ABB Royal Challengers. Best fielder, Tanmay Mhatre, ABB Indians. Most valuable player, Santosh Pawar, Royal Challengers.
APL 2024 was a resounding success, leaving behind memories of thrilling matches, exceptional sportsmanship and a renewed sense of community. As we eagerly await the next season, one thing is certain, the passion for cricket and the spirit of APL will continue to inspire and unite.